Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what you can do if your CapCut creator mode is not showing. So it is kind of like if you get spotted. So I do use CapCut a lot. That's why I get spotted using my account. So if I go and open settings, this will show up on my page. It says, you got spotted, your creativity has caught our eye, interested in becoming a CapCut template creator. Apply now to join the community. Then you're going to select apply and it's going to bring you to this page. It says, why become a template creator? Share your creativity, build your audience, and get cash rewards. Enter your phone number. You're going to insert your video portfolio. You can even import it from TikTok, and you're going to link your TikTok account, your social media account. I don't know what reference code is. I don't think it's important. As you can see, there's only like a red stars there. Then you're just going to press I have read and you're going to select submit. Obviously I can't submit now. It says confirm monetization. So once you've confirmed everything and once you've been selected to become a creator on CapCut, you'll be able to upload templates and other things into like the main template button so that you can share templates, and sometimes you'll get, I guess, monetization from being a creator on the CapCut app itself. So again, it says share creativity, create viral templates that will be used by millions of people around the world. Like even famous TikTokers can use your template if your template is good enough. So you can do that, build your audience, grow your followers across social platforms with viral templates, and the more uses your templates have, the more rewards you will get. So this is very cool if you would like to be a CapCut content creator. So this is what you can do if your creator mode is not showing. Again, it is kind of like if you use CapCut a lot, it will show up. If it doesn't show up, that means you don't really use CapCut to edit a lot, but I do. That's why the option is available on the settings like menu. It just like pops up every time I open CapCut. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.